Hello again. So, I've been thinking a lot about the letter A. A is a pretty cool letter. It's the first letter of the alphabet. And as you know, short A says A, apple, A. You try. Nice job. But long A says its name, A. Now, we just talked about how AI says AI bait A, and AY says AY play A. And I also know that E can be bossy and make A say its name. Like if you have the word mate, if E is at the end, E is silent and makes A say its name, mate. So I've been thinking about all these ways that A says A and about how sometimes it can be so confusing to know when A is going to say its name and when to use which form of A. And I really want us to think about that. I want us to really practice spelling words with the A sound, with the long A sound, because we know 3 ways to make the long A sound. We can make long A with AY, we can make long A with AI, and we can make long A with silent E. Okay, so there's 3 letter combinations that say long A. One thing that we know is that AY is almost always at the end of words. And we talked about that before, that AY is almost always at the end of words. So if we think about play, if we think about clay, spray, stray, AY is at the end of these words. I want us to think about this word again, mate. M-8. This is when it gets tricky because mate and a word like bait both have the A sound, and the A sound can be spelled AI or with the A in the middle and the E at the end. How do we know which spelling option to use? And that's what I'm going to have us think about today. Okay? So, I want us to try to spell the word case, like a pencil case, or a case you might put your things in. Look at the 3 ways that I spelled the word case. One of these ways I should automatically be able to eliminate. And one of these ways, maybe you recognize as the correct spelling of the word case. Take a second to think about that. Which one of these spellings of the word case should I automatically be able to eliminate or cross off? I should automatically be able to eliminate or cross off this spelling of the word case. Why? Because AY always comes at the end of the word. Case sounds like it ends with an S. Case sounds like it ends with an S. And we know that AY comes at the end of a word. So case cannot be spelled like that. Ace. So I should automatically be able to cross out AY. So that leaves me with spelling case C-A-I-S or C-A-S-E. Which one do I recognize? The correct spelling of case is C-A-S-E. Case. Nice job. That is the correct spelling of case. Nice job recognizing that. Now, I want you to think about the word paint. If you have a piece of paper near you, you can spell the word paint. Paint is another word that we could try all three spellings. Paint. Again, you should be able to eliminate one quickly, and you should be able to recognize one. What is the correct spelling of paint? So I'm going to automatically, again, eliminate paint with AY because AY only belongs at the end. And in this word, we need to use AI because there are two consonants after the vowel sound. So we should know that we have to use AI. Paint. There's no silent E there. In case there's a silent E there, we don't hear consonants at the end. In paint, we can hear consonants at the end. So it could not work. Okay? Nice job.